Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will make the case for why I think wiring batteries in parallel is better than in series. So let's get charging.
It might seem simple to wire your batteries in series to boost your voltage, and it may be okay for two 6-volt or two 12-volt batteries. But if you are thinking of putting more than two in series, this may lead to imbalance failures and more of a problem down the road. In this short video, I will show you why wiring batteries in series is not the best idea and adopting the parallel method is a better way to design your battery bank system. First, let's take a look at what happens inside a lithium battery. A 12-volt lithium iron phosphate battery is made up of four 3.2-volt cells connected in series, giving you 12.8 volt. Each battery has a built-in battery management system, or BMS, that keeps the voltage of these cells balanced, but only within that battery. Over time, the voltage of these cells in series will start to drift away from each other because of different internal resistance of the cell. The BMS inside the battery will balance the cells, so they're brought back to the same voltage, which starts at 90% state of charge. So it's important to intermittently, fully charge your batteries to maintain a balance. Now let's show what happens if you wire two batteries in series. That if you connect two 12-volt batteries in series for a 24-volt system, the BMS in each battery only monitors its own cells and cannot see what's happening in the other battery. Now here's the problem. Battery 1 could be at 13.8 volt or 89% charge, while battery 2 sits at 12.9 volt or 64% charge. So your system only sees the combined 26.7 volt and thinks it's charged at 66%. It has no idea that one battery is significantly more charged than the other, and battery balancer can help. It detects the state of charge in each battery and shifts energy between them to keep the voltages even. So does this solve the problem? Not quite, and here's why it's not a good design. There are more components and more complexity. What I mean is, there are extra wiring involved, a balancer which complicates your system. Exact matching is required in a series configuration, and all batteries must be the same age, brand, and cycle count to avoid imbalances. On the other hand, by paralleling batteries, they are naturally balanced. Less of a mismatch issue. Failure of one battery paralleled does not take down the entire battery bank. Whereas in a series configuration, if one 12-volt battery fails, the entire battery bank is compromised. So if you were thinking of setting up a 48-volt system, just use a single 48-volt 100 amp-hour battery. Rather than using four 12-volt 100 amp-hour batteries wired in series with a balancer and extra wires for the series connection. A 48-volt battery has 16 cells in series, so all batteries are balanced by its internal BMS, so no external balancer is required. This is the same logic when using a 24-volt system. Use a single 24-volt battery with 8 cells managed by its internal BMS, fewer components, fewer headaches. If you want more increased capacity, just add batteries in parallel for a reliable and balanced system and avoid wiring batteries in series whenever possible. Instead, just get a higher voltage battery and wire in parallel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and until next time, take care.